Imagine you're running a website, and one day, your data is stolen. The culprit? A security vulnerability you didn't even know existed. OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project, is a global nonprofit that focuses on improving web application security. The most famous product of OWASP is the OWASP Top 10, a list of the most critical security risks for web applications. Let's dive into some key OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities. We'll explain each, show how hackers exploit them, and most importantly, how to defend against them. Injection attacks like SQL Injection occur when untrusted input is sent to a database, tricking it into executing malicious queries. Hackers might insert O1=1 into a login field, bypassing authentication. Use parameterized queries, prepared statements. Validate and sanitize all user inputs. Flaws in authentication can allow attackers to steal user sessions or impersonate users. Using brute force tools like Hydra to guess weak passwords. Enforce strong password policies. Implement multi-factor authentication, MFA. Failure to protect sensitive information, such as using HTTP instead of HTTPS. Intercepting data using tools like Wireshark on unsecured networks. Use HTTPS for all data transmission. Encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Let's test for SQL injection. First, we'll use a tool like Burp to intercept traffic and test different payloads. After successfully extracting sensitive data, we'll apply prepared statements in the back end to fix this vulnerability. OWASP offers several tools to help you test and secure applications. OWASP Zap, Dependency-Check, Juice Shop. To build a secure application or test one ethically, always follow these principles. Stay updated, secure code, penetration testing, incident response. OWASP isn't just about pointing out vulnerabilities, it's about creating a safer digital world. If you found this valuable, subscribe and join us for more cybersecurity lessons. Stay safe, stay secure.